Okay, fine. So let's start with today's pre-market analysis. Today is 1st December, 1st of December. Today is Friday. So before we start with the pre-market analysis, let's look at the yesterday's price action and today's pre-market analysis is going to be small. Why I'll tell you later. But before that, let us look at the yesterday's pre-market analysis 30th November. If you remember, I was telling you that in the pre-market analysis only. Okay. So if you remember in the pre-market analysis only yesterday, I was telling you that these were two important resistance, right? That black and red line. And I was highly emphasizing on this green level, right? I was telling you that that green box, that is going to be very important support. Yesterday, I was telling you that. Let us see what happened yesterday. Yesterday, you can see that it opened above the previous day high, right? Above that red line, but it did not started making a bullish price action. It started making a bearish price action, then small tiny candle, then one big pin bar give you false impression that it is going to go up, right? That is how trap happens in the market. So you can see that after that this candle started reversing from that level, right? It has broken that both the important levels, that is the previous day high and that red level, which was the strong resistance. And the people who went long here thinking that today also, today mean 30th also, it will be another trending day like a previous day, they all got trapped, right? They all got trapped because they must have kept stop loss somewhere here and all this. So these two candles took their entire stop loss. Then where it took the support, exactly it started taking support at that green level, which I was telling you that it will be strong support. Exactly there it took, went all the way till the next resistance. This was the next resistance because as per technical analysis, support becomes resistance once it is broken, right? And the resistance, it met the resistance, again it reversed. Where it came back, again it came back to the same support where market reversed earlier. Again it went and took the resistance at the same level, again came back, and finally late afternoon you can see that it made a huge move, and even it has broken the previous day high, and the day's high also was broken. So that is what I was also yesterday predicting, that market might break the previous day high in the late afternoon, right? So if you can watch my yesterday's pre-market analysis, this is what exactly I discussed in my pre-market analysis. This is about the Nifty. So let us see now Nifty. Let us see now Nifty. What is the important level for today? All right, today is 1st December. Before that, let's go to daily time frame and look at the daily time frame also once. And on the daily time frame, you can see that it made a strong pin bar, right? Pin bar means it's a strong bullish momentum. So that means what? Whether you have to be bullish, bearish, or sideways today. So before that, let us just mark all the levels. As far as CPR is concerned, CPR is average today, right? Let's mark the previous day high. This is the previous day high. This level now you can remove it. Okay, this level you can remove it now because already it penetrated couple of times. So that level is not important. But this green level is very important. Green level is important even for today. Okay, so you can still keep that green level because that will be demand zone. So today, 1st December, even though price action suggesting that there are couple of resistance here, if it breaks then there is nothing much, there is no big resistance after that, right? That is what it is showing, that one resistance is 20,195, 20,222. That is the last level of resistance. After that there is no other resistance because I think it's almost came to the all-time high, I think. Yeah. So once we break this candle high, that is the 15th September, it will be all-time high. That means there is no resistance after that, right? But what you have to remember today, I don't know how many of you remember, today is important day. Today and Monday is going to be a important day. Why? Because if you remember, if you attended my webinar, day trading webinar, always I say that whenever there is a events in the market, it is better to stay away from the market. Okay. So what is the event is there in the market today and Monday? Event is, if you follow the political news, there was a exit poll yesterday, right? There was a exit poll yesterday, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, right? All these bigger states for India, which can even affect our Lok Sabha poll, which is expected very soon, right? So, exit poll of all these few states have come yesterday, and today market is going to react to that. Whether positive or negative, that we can't say, but market will react to that at least today in the first half. Okay, so anything can happen today. If market like the news, you know what happened? It may show a resistance candle here, and you will take a short trade thinking that okay, market reversed. So that means market did not like the news, but market suddenly can break everything and start going up. Or another thing what can happen is that market might make a bullish candle here, breaking all the resistance, and you think that it's a bullish sign, I will go long, and suddenly market can reverse because market did not like the yesterday's exit poll. So depends on whether market liked the news or did not like the news. So that's why I said today is going to be very tricky day, today and Monday both, because today market will react based on exit poll, and on Monday market will react on the news. What is the news? News is election result, right? Sunday is the real voting, I mean counting will start. Sunday will come to know who is going to win, whether which party is going to win all these states, and Monday morning will react to that news. If market like the news, then you may see a gap up. If market don't like the news, then you may see a gap down. So that is why I said today and Monday is very very event day, so very difficult to trade, because it doesn't respect support resistance, rather it will react to the news. So if you are a day trader, then I suggest you to stay away for today and Monday, or stay with a small quantity, because today and Monday is a event day. Okay. So that is what for Nifty and Bank Nifty also, event will be applicable for everything, Bank Nifty or Nifty, everything. So Bank Nifty also yesterday you can see that, if you remember, I made a video just couple of days back. This is the video I'm talking about. I don't know how many of you watch this news, trading the open like a boss, right? In that news, I discussed about one of my strategy. I discussed one of my strategy, which is selling the option at the opening, selling the option at the opening, right? So if market opens at some important resistance or support, so you can see that it opened exactly near to that resistance which I marked in the pre-market. So that strategy which I discussed in that YouTube video, that met here, but after that it made a bullish candle and then reversal happened, right? So that is what in that video also I said same thing, that your stop loss should be bigger in this strategy, because market volatility will be very high. Every time it doesn't happen that smoothly, it will come like this. Sometimes it can make a zigzag way and then it can come down. So that is what exactly happened. This green candle suddenly made a big green candle. So had you taken that trade, then you could have made a good profit in this trade, right? So that is what, if you have not watched that video, you can watch that video to understand what is that strategy I was talking about. Coming back to analysis, you can see that Bank Nifty also reacted to that green level, though it broken, it made a false breakout. Again, it looked like false breakout. But you can see that almost near to that green level, it played a very important role yesterday. So today that level will be important for us. So we'll mark that level. And this all the levels will be important for today. Okay. So today, this is the previous day high, which will be important, and same time there is another important resistance. Okay, so we'll keep the both the lines to know that today this is going to be important level, important resistance, and then this level also can be important resistance, because actual sell off started from this candle, right? So this box also you can mark it on your chart. This mark you can mark it on your chart, so that you will know that today is going to be important resistance, and then if it comes down, this will be green level will be important support. But whatever I say, that it is very important to know that today is a event day, so market may not react to all these technical levels as good as how it works in other days. So that is why my suggestion is, today and Monday, trade with a very small size, or better not to trade at all. So that's why I said this is going to be a small video, because no point in discussing too much on technicals, because market react based on news on event day. Any questions, guys? What about the crude oil? No, crude oil and all I don't discuss, because I don't follow it. Any other questions? Okay, guys. So that's it about today's video, and I will meet you tomorrow, and have a good trading day.